How to download Rocket League on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Rocket League on your Android device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing that you need to do is open up any web browser you have. And here you're just going to search for Rocket League Sideswipe. And you'll get this link right here, sideswipe.rocketleague.com. Just open up this link. Now here you'll have to accept these terms and conditions first. And once you have done that, you can see all of the instructions that's given on this website. You can just tap on download now. So what you need to do is scan this to get the Epic Game Stores on your mobile first. So just tap on download Epic Game Stores first. This pop-up will show up right here, but what you're going to do is tap on download anyway. And once the download is complete, what you're going to do is open the downloaded file, enable installing unknown apps, and then from there you can install and open Epic Game Stores. And in Epic Game Stores, you can download Rocket League, Sideswipe, and follow the on-screen prompts. So here now I'm just going to install the Epic Games app. So once the Epic Games Store is installed, you can just open up Epic Games, and then you are just going to enable the install from unknown sources settings. Now, once you get here, you will see the Rocket League Sideswipe. Go ahead and tap on install, and you can enjoy the game on Android. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.